In project management, product scope refers to the features, functions, and requirements of the deliverables of the project, while the project scope defines the work that needs to be done to achieve the project's objectives and deliverables. There is a significant relationship between the two in the fields of project management. The project scope outlines the tasks required to complete the product scope, while the product scope specified what the project is delivering. In other words, project scope defines the boundaries of the project and how it will be managed, while product scope outlines what the project team will create to achieve the project's objectives. While they are distinct, they are still closely interrelated and must be managed together to ensure that the project is successfully completed within the specified scope, budget, and timeline. In the project context, the term scope can refer to product scope, where the features and functions that characterize a product, service, or result are expressed, or as a project scope, where the work performed to deliver a product, service, or result with the specified features and functions is included. The term project scope is sometimes viewed as including product scope. Completion of the project scope is measured against the project management plan, while completion of the product scope is measured against the product requirements. The term requirement is defined as a condition or capability that is required to be present in a product, service, or result to satisfy an agreement or other formally imposed specifications. The project scope statement is the description of the project's scope, major deliverables, assumptions, and constraints. The project scope statement documents the entire scope, including the project and product scope. It describes the project's deliverables in detail. It provides a common understanding of the project scope among project stakeholders. It may contain explicit scope exclusions that can assist in managing stakeholders' expectations. It enables the project team to perform more detailed planning, guides the project teams working during the execution, and provides a baseline for evaluating whether requests for changes or additional work are contained within or outside the project's boundaries. Project scope statement does include product scope description that progressively elaborates the characteristics of the product, service, or result described in the project charter and requirements documentation. In exam, very similar question testing your knowledge regarding product and project scope will be tested given and you will be tasked to first identify what the question refers to, project or product scope. See you in the next lecture.